Hello, I'm Ausome and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with this beautiful Brynna here today. And today we're going to learn about inertia. Our friend Rick asked us if the ivory soap from last year's video cleans stuff. Check that video out if you haven't watched it, right in that corner above. We tested it and it does clean.
The materials we need are a big ball, like a soccer ball, and a small ball like my football.
We're going to test how the soccer ball bounces and how the football bounces. Now we're going to put the balls and bounce them off together. I hold my soccer ball in the bottom of my hand, and Brynna holds the football. Now we're going to bounce. Now we're going to drop them and see how they bounce.
It launches. Welcome to Aidyn Science Part.
We are going to have to do some math to understand this one, so get ready. This experiment shows us the Newtonian laws of motion. Let's us look at each law and how it affects the balls. The first law is that an object that is moving will keep moving until something stops it. So if we drop the ball, the ground will stop it, but it doesn't stop. Why? Because of Newton's third law, which is for every action, there is an opposite and equal reaction. This means when the ball hits the ground, there is an opposite reaction, which makes the ball bounce back up. But why does our soccer ball bounce higher than our football? That is where the math comes in. Newton's second law is that the force of an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. F equals ma. So because our soccer ball has a larger mass, the force is larger. And the opposite reaction is larger, so it bounces higher. Then what happens when we drop the balls together? We will need to know what the force is of each ball as it falls to the earth. So the mass of the football is 43 grams times the acceleration of gravity, which is 9.807 meters per second squared. So the force on the football is about 0.42 newtons. The mass of the soccer ball is 375 grams times gravity's acceleration is 3.67 newtons. When they are bounced together, the force from the soccer ball is transferred to the football. The football's own force is transferred back to it. So it is sent flying with its own force plus the force of the soccer ball. About 4.09 newtons, causing it to almost hit the ceiling in the lab. There are other factors here as well, like the air, but we will keep it simple. Phew, that was a lot, but a really fun experiment to try. Try it with other objects and try to predict if they will bounce higher than other objects.
Like, share, and subscribe to all of our other videos. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye. Have an awesome day.
I'm going to show you one of my magic tricks I learned called spoon to fork. I'm going to magically turn this spoon into a fork. I have a spoon and I put it on top of the napkin. Now I pick up the spoon and the napkin all together and roll them back and forth. Now I will take my corner and I pull it away from me. Then I take this corner and pull it away from me. And then you open it up.
It's turned into a fork.